Good day and thank you for joining me on my channel. Today I'm just going to show you how to make this quick and easy clover leaf keychain with the stem. You can also use it as an applique. You just need some wool and a needle, a crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and that little keychain piece. You're going to start by making a simple knot, and you're going to chain 4, and then you're going to make a circle. That's it. Now chain 6. I'm trying to hide my tail at the same time. Don't forget, it's chain 6. The very first one will count as a slip stitch. So let's go. Chain 6. Then you're going to slip stitch into the middle again of the circle. You're going to chain 5 now. Once you're done chaining 5, you're going to slip stitch back into the center of your ring and continue to hide your tail, and you're going to repeat this twice. So you need to do this twice more because you have a total of 4 clover leaves. Again, chain 5, slip stitch into the middle. Now we're quickly going to do the stem part, which is extremely easy. You're going to start by chaining 8. Then you're going to put 1/2 double crochet into the 3rd chain. 1/2 double crochet into the next chain, and in every other chain after that you're gonna put 1 single crochet, and you're gonna slip stitch into the main round, and that's it. Now for the leaves, slip stitch into your 5 chain space, make 1 chain, 1 single crochet followed by 2 half double crochets. Once you do your 2 half double crochets, you will do 3 double crochets. Then for the little indents that come on the clover leaves, you will do 2 half a double crochets followed by, and you might have to move your stitches a bit up, 3 double crochet, 2 half a double crochets, 1 single crochet, and you're going to slip stitch back into the main ring. And you're going to repeat that for the other 3. So it's slip stitch into the 5 chain space, 1 single crochet, 1 chain, and then 1 single crochet, two half a double crochets, 3 double crochets, 2 half a double crochets, 3 double crochets, 2 half a double crochets, and finish it with a single crochet, and slip stitch into the main ring. Now I'm sure you are able to do this. If not, please stop the video, rewind the video, or slow it down in the settings. Once you are done, you will slip stitch back into the main body, make one chain, pull taunt, cut your yarn, and you're done. You will add your key ring, or you can use it as an applique. Completely your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe. There will be more videos to come. I'm just hiding my tail quickly. Right, and then the rest of the tail, I'm just gonna snip it away. That's it. Plus minus 6 minutes. Don't forget your keychain. I added it right there. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share.